Today I'll be playing the Mega Gripper 3 map. Tree. Ha! That's how Michael says 3. Tree. I think we're ready. Wait, okay, let's go. The mine or whatever is the thing. Level 1. Wow! This looks cool. Where's the sand? Come on, give me my sand. I need my sand. Yes, sand. Whoa. Sand. I need my sand. So, auto up. Should I skip it or nah? We can just wait. It's fast. Come on. Come on. We made it. Should we put the sand on? Oh, fine. From the other side. So we're gonna be doing level 2, right? Yeah, it's 2 level. Wait, why does it say face? Oh, okay. What's the name of this? Fragile Dropper. Wow. What? I thought I made it. What's here on the other side? Oh, wait, I'll read all of that later. Dun, 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 dun. Ah, I thought I made it. Come on, run, sprint. Sprint like the wind, bullseye. Sprint faster. Oh, my neck hurts so badly. Okay, I think I'm gonna jump. What? Wow! Wait! I thought I was gonna fail. Give me sand. Give me sand. Give me sand. Yes. Yeah, bro. This is long climbing. Okay. Ew! My dad farted in my face. Ew! I can smell it. Ew! Dad. Ew! So mean. Ew! Dad, I can smell it! Dad. Ew! It's still till now. Why? Ew. Ew, Dad is so mean to me. So let's just... I think we should make a run up. Run! What? I think I should jump properly. Jump properly, bros. Jump properly. Oh, I think I saw a name tag. Maybe my glitch body. Jump. Ah, no! Not yet. I'm gonna be doing cheats way. Some cheats. That's not money. They call me Stacy. Cheat way. Jump from here. Sneak. Wait, no. Okay, sneak. Sneakity sneak. Sneak. And now jump. Sneak. 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 Sneakity sneakity sneaky sneak sneak. Okay. To full heart. Ow! No! Run like the wind. Why am I running so slow? I need potions. Sneaking mode is on. Sneak mode on. Copy that. Roger, roger. Okay, now you wanna fall down in the side. Regenerate, bro. Okay, I hope I don't fail this. What do I? You make me mad, bro. You make me mad. Did I already tell you that my favorite Minecraft YouTuber is DanTDM? Dad doesn't like him. I don't know why. I don't know. Dad, why don't you like him? Dad. You're not answering me because you hate him. What did he ever do? Just gonna jump directly in that. Oopsie daisy. Daisy, Daisy, Daisy the donkey. Run, 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 run as fast as you can. Before I like using split touch controls, but now, nah, get rid of that thing. Whoop, yeah. Sneak, sneak. Ah! Sneak, 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 sneaking, sneaking, sneaking. Okay, I think we're just gonna fall down this spot. Yeah, we made it, bruh. We made it. Come on, go up. Where is it? There it is. Give me the sand. Hey! Give me the sand. So let's climb up here, bro. And jump. A few moments later. 10 hours later. We made it from 10 hours. Wow, that's so long. It was that one, yeah. So, and yeah, this will be one more. Oh, this one seems challenging. Is that the word? Challenging? Kinda. I think you should jump. Oh, okay, goody. Yeah, forwardly. Okay, sneak. Okay, full health. You have to be at full health. Okay, that's good. Okay, we can just jump. Yay! Where's the door? There are you, door. There are you. Yay, we made it! You already put all the sand. Whoa. This looks like illusion thingy thing. We already made the third, but this is the fourth one, so swap. Whoa, that was fast. We made it, bruh. Okay, let's put the sand block and look at the miracle. That is the miracle begin. What? Oh. I just thought it disappeared. Okay, so why do we put this over here? Come on, put it. Yes! And this one piece of sign. I'm just gonna drop it here. Bye-bye, sign. Fall down to where you belong. Okay, let's see. Sector Drew Job Factory. Dropper Factory, cool. Why can't I sprint? Level 5, and that's level 6. Okay, sneak, sneak, sneak. I almost died there. Maybe I told that only. No! No! The Mega Dropper Gods is mad now. Why are you cheating? I think I'm just gonna end the video right here, bros. Did level sector 1, so let's do sector 2 next time. So, wait, no, not that, no. Thanks for watching this first episode of Mega Dropper 3. And I'll be making a second part 2, so bye!